Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC. Okay, so let's see our first topic. That is equal and balanced. This type of questions are quite common in KMC, and it's usually about weight and equal relationship. So let's see the first question. Okay, so you can see there are 3 balance scales. Have you ever seen balance scales in your life? It's used to compare weight, and if you haven't seen that, I thought you may play seesaw game before, and they have the same rule. When the balance scale are level, that means both things on both sides, they are equal to each other in weight. Okay, so for this question, we are going to find how many ducks balance the crocodile. Okay, so can you find crocodile and ducks in the same balance scale? No, that means we can't compare the 2 animals directly. But can we find a helper or intermediate animal to help us to do this? Okay, so let's see. This helper must be related to both crocodile and ducks at the same time. That should be, yeah, exactly, that is lying. Okay, so first, in the first balance scale, we can see 1 crocodile equals to 2 lions. And for the second balance scale, we can see every lion is equal to 2 ducks. So we can replace every line with 2 ducks. Okay, this line is equal to 2 ducks. And the other line is also equal to 2 ducks. So altogether, 1 crocodile should be equal to 4 ducks. Okay, so that's how we find this question's answer. That should be B, 4 ducks. That's quite simple, right? So let's see a harder one. The second question. Here you can see we have to observe the first 2 balance scales to find what should be put in the question mark in the third one. Let's see. How many shapes can you see in the picture? There are 4 types of shapes, and we are going to find this diamond should be equal to what kind of shapes. And for the first balance scale, we have 1 circle and 1 diamond are equal to 6 stars. Okay, sorry, 6 stars. And we can find the relationship between circle and star from the second balance scale. Every 1 circle can be replaced by 2 stars. So the remaining one on the left side is only 1 diamond. And we still have 4 stars remaining on the right side. So that means every diamond should be equal to 4 stars. Let's put 4 stars here. Okay, so now let's find. Can we find 4 stars from option A to D? No. So don't worry, and no need to hurry. We just need to replace it again. So, but we can exclude the 2 options first. It can't be A, it can't be C, because it only has 3 or 2 stars. Let's see. For B and D, we have 2 kinds of shapes here. One is circle and the other is star. So let's replace circle with stars again. Every circle equals to 2 stars. So it can't be B because it only has 3 stars finally. And let's see D. If I replace this circle by 2 stars, we can have 4 stars in D. So that's the option. That means next time if you can't find the answer after you complete the first step, no need to hurry. Just replace it again. So let's see the next question. This time we have another tool to compare weight or to show the equal relationship. That is our equation or equal sign. Here we have Alan has 6 pairs. Okay, 6 pairs. And how many strawberries will he have if he treats all his pairs with strawberries only? Can you find the relationship between pear and strawberry directly? No, that means we still need helper for this question. Let's see. Every pear is equal to 2 apples. Let's replace apples first. Every apple should be replaced by 3 plums. We can see this relationship from the second equation. So let's replace it. Every apple be replaced by 3 plums. Okay, and this apple can also be replaced by 3 plums. So that means altogether, 1 pear is equal to 6 plums. Let's draw 6 plums here. I'm not a good painter, but I have tried my best. Okay, let's see the second part. So these 6 plums can be replaced by how many strawberries? We should use the third equation. Every strawberry is equal to 2 plums. So let's replace every 2 plums with how many strawberries? Only 1, that's enough. Okay, replace it by 1 strawberry. Replace these 2 by 1 strawberry. And we still have 1 more to replace. Okay, sorry for this strawberry. I will draw it again. Yes, let's draw a perfect strawberry here. Okay, so that means 6 plums can be replaced by 3 strawberries. That is equal to, every pear should be equal to 3 strawberries. 3 strawberries. So we can see we have 6 pears altogether. If we replace every pear with 3 strawberries, we have 6 3 added together. That is equal to 6 times 3 equals 18. So the answer should be C. When we are solving equal and balanced questions, first we need to find the relationship between our 2 targets, but mostly we will need to find the intermediate helper to connect these 2 targets. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. See you next time!